Now I will going to teach another airway clearance technique, which is the hopping cupping. To perform it in, just take a deep breath, hold it for a 3 seconds and cup it for still. Now you can perform. One more. Cupping is performed to clean the, to move out the secretion of the patient. Thank you.